Did you know you can create a super realistic AI avatar with hand gestures, facial expressions, and lip sync, completely free? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it using only 3 tools, all free to use. Whether you're creating a storytelling character, a podcast host, or a faceless YouTube avatar, this is your blueprint. Let's break it down into 3 simple steps. Step 1, create your avatar. We'll use Leonardo AI. It gives you free daily generations. Just type in your prompt describing the avatar you want: age, look, outfit, background, and so on. Click Generate and choose the one that looks best. Step 2, animate the avatar. Go to Kling AI. Upload your image. In the prompt box, type, "A woman talking and explaining something in a static camera." Set the creativity level to zero point 0.7, set the duration to 10 seconds, and click Generate. That's it. Your avatar is now animated with movement and expressions. Step 3, add voice and sync lips. Go to Dreamface and upload the animation you just made. Now create your voice using 11 Labs. Choose a voice, write your script, and download the audio. Upload it to Dreamface, click Generate, and watch your avatar talk. That's how simple it is. You now have a fully animated, voice-synced AI avatar made with completely free tools. If you found this useful, subscribe for more AI content, and tell me in the comments where you're watching from. Now, if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel with your avatar, don't miss the next video. I'll show you free voiceover AI in hot. This is just the beginning.